Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Faraway. This is a real short video as to what I'm working with right now. This is a 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback, and what's going to be done to it, it's going to be a full color change inside and out. There's a lot of little issues that this car has. A lot of the gaps are not even, so we're going to be addressing all that. And we're going to be painting it candy apple red. It's one of the original colors from 66, 67, I believe. So that's the color we're going to be going with. Hope you stick with me. Hope you guys enjoy these kind of cars. And let's just get to it. This coming weekend, don't forget, I'll be doing this 1966 Ford Mustang. Alright guys, this is a real short video like I mentioned as to what's coming up next. So stay with me guys, you're gonna enjoy this one, and like always, God bless.